Where is it? So we're here at Roast and Grill in the Curve and we're about to have some steak. So the restaurant layout is pretty neat. As you can see, it's like mainly tables for customers. You don't really see the kitchen or where the employees are, and there's only one other table seated. We are gonna get one of the tenderloins and one of the ribeye. Thank you. Oh, this is mine? Yes. Both of us got the sweet potato fries, but I've got the broccoli and she's got the corn. I ordered for medium doneness and this is just terribly overdone. It's so bad. At least her steak is cooked nicely. So I returned my steak and they're cooking up a new one right now. I hope they get it right. I'm really hungry. They're also supposed to serve some bread and butter, but yeah, that's nowhere to be seen. The bread finally arrived, but it's such an odd timing. It's after the steak is served, and I mean my steak is not even here yet. Things are not going well at all for my meal and also this restaurant today. My replacement steak has arrived and this is the moment of truth. We're cutting in to see how it's done. It looks okay, I guess.
It's better.
We're done with our meal and yeah, it was really underwhelming. She's been here before, she's looking at all the old photos of her meal and it was a really great experience for her. That's why she brought me here, but today it's just so bad, everything. She's complaining right now. Usually this is my job, but I'm gonna let her give it a go this time. They asked her to write her thoughts on a piece of A4 paper. Well, that's the first time I'm seeing this happen. Thank you. 171 ringgit. Trust me, the food is not even worth half the price of this bill. I can't recommend this place. We just got out and apparently Roast and Grill is also under the same management of Red Lobster, which is just next door. So that's all for this very short restaurant review. There's not much to say. The steak was mediocre and you know, the service wasn't that great. The bread was late. If you are looking to get some steak, you're better off going somewhere else or, you know, cook yourself. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.